Hi everyone, this is page 387 in your Readers and Writers Notebook. We are going to do this page together, so you're going to follow along as I walk you through this page. And then when you are done watching this video and completing this worksheet, you will then go to page 395 in your Readers and Writers. Look, it looks like this. And you will do this page on your own. So after completing this page with me, it will give you a good idea on how you will complete the following page by yourself because they're very similar. So I'm going to first, as the directions say, read the story, then write the answer to each question. I'm going to first read the story to you. You may listen along to me reading the story, but I do ask that after I read the story all the way through once, you press pause to this video and then you read it on your own too. So that way you're reading and hearing the story twice and you'll really comprehend it that way. All right, this is called House Rabbits. House rabbits are the best pets. Rabbits are good pets for someone who lives in an apartment building because they are quiet. They have fur on the bottom of their feet, so neighbors won't hear them hopping around. Rabbits are clean animals. Just like cats, rabbits keep their fur clean by grooming. Their long ears are beautiful. A rabbit looks very cute when it pulls down an ear and licks it. Like all pets, rabbits require special care, but they are worth it. So now I'm going to ask you to press pause so you can reread that on your own. Okay, so now that we've read the story, it's time for us to answer these questions. So we are doing this together. So I'm going to read the question and I'm going to say and walk through the answer, and I'd like you to copy down what I write, okay? So I'm going to switch over so that I could type out my answers. I'm going to switch over to here. So these are the same questions that you're going to see on your page. Mine's just going to look a little different just so I can actually type it out so you can see what I end up writing. So the first question is, what does the story try to make you believe? And if I go back to the text, this story is all about house rabbits, and it's about how they are the best pets. So whoever wrote this story thinks house rabbits are the best pets, and they're giving me a lot of reasons as to why they're the best pet. They're trying to convince me that rabbits are the best pet to have in my house. So I'm going to write a complete sentence with a capital letter at the beginning. The story is trying to make us believe that house rabbits are the best kind of pets. And I'm ending that with a period. And this is a complete sentence. So I didn't just say they're the best. I used words from the question into my answer so that it's a long and complete sentence. Okay, so the story is trying to make us believe that house rabbits are the best kind of pets. Question 2, what fact tells you that rabbits are quiet animals? So I'm going to have to look back into my text because off the top of my head, I can't quite remember. So I'm going to look back in the text, go back. All right, so what fact tells us that rabbits are quiet animals? Okay, I see the word quiet right here, so I'm going to read this sentence because this might help me. Rabbits are good pets for someone who lives in an apartment building because they are quiet. Okay, I'm going to keep reading because that didn't really answer my question. They have fur on the bottom of their feet, so neighbors won't hear them hopping around. All right, well, there you go. That answers it for me. So I'm going to go back to my sheet. What fact tells you that rabbits are quiet animals? Starting with a capital letter, the fact that tells us rabbits are quiet animals is that their fur on the bottom of their feet help them stay quiet when hopping around. Something like that. So that clearly answers the question, telling us how they stay quiet, and it's a fact from the story. All right. Question 3. The writer says that rabbits have beautiful ears. Is that a fact or an opinion? How do you know? And if you thought opinion, you are correct. It is an opinion. We're not done because there's also another question that says, how do you know? So this is where the why comes in. It is an opinion because not everyone would agree that rabbits have beautiful ears. Because that is someone's feeling. Someone feels that rabbits have beautiful ears, but I might not think that rabbits have beautiful ears. So it is an opinion. Okay? So now that I walked you through it, you are going to fill out this worksheet, or maybe you already did as I was going through, and then you will be ready to complete page 395, Camel Safari. Just like we did up here, you're going to read the story first. It says follow the directions. So you'll read the story and then you will answer these 2 questions in complete sentences after reading the text.